Make party place cards. There is nothing more impressive than holding a party that is well organized. A well-organized party will reflect on the menu you will be serving, the venue decorations, the music, or ambience, and of course, the enjoyment of your guests. The little things, though it may seem unimportant, will show how much you value your guests and will reflect how well you have prepared for this party. Party place cards are extremely helpful in organizing your guests when you are throwing a sit-down dinner party. Don't worry, you won't need a professional printer to be able to create party place cards. Simply follow these steps for professional-looking party place cards. Gather the materials you need. To make your party place cards, you should prepare some sheets of vellum or other types of specialty paper. You may use the colored ones, or you may opt to make it simple. You also need a paper cutter. If you don't have this, a good pair of scissors will work just as well. Get your computer and printer ready, and purchase some tiny pieces of decorations, like sequins, beads, or fancy jewels. You may get these from any craft store, in the scrapbooking area, for a cheap price. Lay out the place cards in your computer. You can use templates that are provided in Microsoft Word, or you can use other layouting software like Adobe Photoshop or Adobe Illustrator. You should design your placeholder cards according to theme of your party. It doesn't have to be too complicated. Simply using certain color elements will keep your card designs part of the theme of your party. You can also attempt to be creative. It doesn't have to be a simple, four-sided place card. Try making circular placeholders, or pretend the placeholders are dollar bills or tiny plates. There are many options, really. The possibilities are endless, especially if you are holding an informal party. Print the cards. Once you are satisfied with the designs, take your vellum or specialty paper and load on your printer. Line up the paper properly and print your designs. A regular A4-sized paper will typically hold 8 to 10 place cards, depending on how large you set the measurements to be. It is best to set your printers to quality printing so the colors will appear bright and the designs will come out clearly and beautifully. Cut the cards carefully. Once you have printed the cards, you may cut them out now with your paper cutter. If you don't own one, you may use your trusty pair of scissors. Be careful when you are cutting and make sure that you situate yourself in a well-lighted place so you can avoid making any mistakes. Once done, you may decorate with some beads and plastic jewelry or sequins to add sparkle to your place cards. Making party place cards is really fun if you allow yourself to experiment and be adventurous with the designs. You may even create cute and funky place card holders to add more interest to each table setting. This will definitely interest your guests and they will surely appreciate the extra effort you made in making a tiny detail like a placeholder unique.